Hi, ik ben Kiki en het is nu een beetje slap oranje, maar ik wil het weer goed rood. En mooie rechte pony, puntjes eraf.
Okay, Kiki wants split ends off and she wants an ultra red color. So that's why she's here. And she wants a fringe, nice, short and straight. Kiki, wil je een rondje draaien? Will you turn around so that you can see your hair and maybe at the back. Yes, throw it a bit to the back. Dankjewel. Nou, dat staat er ook op. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna give her a nice red color. And I'm gonna make her a wonderful haircut, of course, because I can cut her hair with the TC1 haircut of Jaguar, so her split ends will be gone for more than 4 till 6 months. But first start with coloring. Now it's nice warm under the hairs. And in Holland it is warm at the moment.
Ja, ik ben niet in Florida geweest.
Nee, ik wel.
Ja.
Give her a towel and a cape, and of course my world famous plastic foil. And this plastic is recyclable, so it will be not in Mother Nature. And in Holland we have nice recycle lines, so it will be not in Mother Nature. Start by making her a color, show you a photo of the product. That's what I'm going to do first. Now what I'm going to make her is infinity colors. I use a paprika and a red pepper. I use it from 6% and with a keratin in it, so she is also being nursed while I color her hair. Because it's summer, so she needs more power than normally. Apply this on her hair. And of course I do all her hair in this color. Now I've got all the color on her hair. So now I'm going to wait for 25 minutes. Then rinse it out. Let it gently develop, and what I told you, it's very warm in Holland at the moment. It's I think in this studio 27 degrees Celsius, so that's hot, so we don't need any heat on this, just leave it the way it is, and I'll apply all the product on my hair. Close my plastic foil, that I will certainly do, then rinse it out, and then we're going to cut her hair. Ik vind het in Nederland altijd nog warmer als in Florida, omdat het zo benauwd is.
Ja, hele andere.
Ja. So don't go away. We'll certainly be back. Hello, we're back. Now this is the color. When it's wet, I put in step 2 of the Plex system with the conditioner. I leave that in for about 5 minutes. Now, to be sure that we see all the lines of cutting, put on a very nice cape. What I told you, I'm going to cut the hair with the TC1 haircut of Jaguar. That's a hot scissor. And I love hot scissors because on this hair, especially long hair, it's the most wonderful thing to use because you seal the ends. The ends will be staying closed for 4 till 6 months, and the hair grows all that it grows. Hair grows about 1.5 centimeter a month, that's always the same, sometimes 2, but it depends where you live. For example, India and China, they grow a little bit faster, but we as white people, 1.5 centimeter, it breaks down 0.5 centimeter, and then you come to us and we take away the centimeter again. That you don't need with a hot scissor, because the hot scissor, the hair grows, and after 4 till 6 months you take away 0.5 centimeter, you seal the hairs again, so all the hairs grow more than normally, because you don't take away the length that is damaged. Let's start. Put my hot scissor on 140 degrees Celsius. Put the skull a bit to the front so I get a straight line to work on. Take the hairs down. Watch where the ends get thin. There, place my scissors. Curl on the skull bone. Take the hairs up again. Still the skull in the same position, there is no bending, so all the lines are straight down. Take them down. Watch at the line of cutting. And seal the hairs. Do 2 times on the left side and then I go 2 times on the right side. Now just lay the hairs on the natural fall. Watch where they lay. And now you see how important it is to have ultra bright fluor cape, because now you can see all the lines. The lighter the underlines are and the cape is, that's the more you can see of the hairs. Connect the right side to the left side. Lay the hairs on the back. Take the 2 outlines. Watch if they are similar. And I see that this line is a bit longer than the right side. This is also because hair grows always on one side faster than the other side. This has to do with the blood streams. It's always a better side on every skull. Lay the hairs in a natural fall and connect them. And so do all our hair. To the front, the hairs travel a bit up, so you get a bit of rounding. But in base it's a strong line. The only thing that's not so nice on a hot scissor is the wire you work with. The hot scissor is of Jaguar, and that you find on the internet. And I went to the States and I also saw in America a hot scissor on the market. But then you have the old version of this. So in America it's not the wire red, but it's a dark wire. And the scissor is an more old school scissor, but that doesn't say that the tool is less, because it's a better tool even as the modern one. This has a lot of disturbance in the electric lines. And the old one is always good. And it cost about $700. Now all the hair is cut, so now I can go to the front and connect the lines. Coming at the front, take the hairs in an angle, I'll show you that. So I take this angle, take the hairs up in the line of the eyebrow, take them down, and only take off the dry ends. Take 3 parts till I get behind the ear. Now I'm on the ear. And now I'm behind the ear. And I'm also on the center of the skull. And of course I do this on both sides. Connect the front to the back. Now come to the other side. Dit nog eten denk ik. Niet blond, hè?
Nee, dat is niet rood.
Kidding about the color. Do the same. First step. In front of the ears. TKS down. Second step on the ear. And now from the center, behind the ear. And then connect both lines to each other. I have to be aware of the earrings. Nowadays earrings are everywhere, even on top of the ears. Now lay all the long hair to the back and the fringe to the front. And she loves to cut her fringe also herself. I don't mind because I like it. It's your hair, so who am I to say, you may not do that yourself?
Then I have to come every week.
When you love short, you have short. Now, of course, don't do this with a hot scissor because then I would burn a skin. So I take a normal scissor. En ook goed luisteren ook. Just lay the hairs in the natural form. Watch. Here I have about a centimeter above. So I go also on this side a centimeter above because this side is a little bit longer than the other side. Just let the fringe lay in natural shapes. And what's a perfect fringe? A perfect fringe is that what the model of the person who has it likes. Not what we as hairdressers think is the perfect fringe. Okay, now I can dry her hair. Before I blow dry her hair, I take a velvet mousse of glint. Apply it on the hair. And of course a bit on the fringe. This is protection for the hair. With a nice big paddle brush of Ergo, I brush the hairs, so I spread this mousse all over her hair and over her wonderful fringe. Oh, I love to be a hairdresser. Pin the hairs up, start in the back, using a very large Ergo brush, like this, or this one. The nice thing about the brushes of Ergo is that the hairs that are in the brush take up the heat and do that very fast and hold the heat, so the hair dries much faster than normally. The nice thing of the hot scissor is that you can do this with a round brush without getting stuck into the hair. Ja, want zoals ik werk echt van het 0 naar iets toe. En dat krijg je dan niet.
Wat verloop?
Je hebt iedere keer gewoon een opzetkammetje.
Nee, hij is echt bezig met zo'n eigen verloop erin maken.
Ah, oké, goed.
Dan doet zo'n vetertje om zijn hoofd.
Ja.
Het ziet er heel grappig uit.
Zo ben ik ooit eens begonnen met een onderbroek elastiek. Ging nog makkelijker.
Echt lachen.
Ja, het is wel leuk om het zo te doen.
Ja,
Heel veel
en als het verkeerd gaat, dan trek ik gewoon helemaal eroverheen. En dan is het alweer millimeters. Het staat hem ook hartstikke gaaf. Nou, dat schelen. Heeft hij nou één vriend?
Ja.
Waarbij hij dan het haar knipt en dan moet hij het gratis en dan kan hij oefenen.
Ja. Leuk.
Ja.
Zo ben ik ook begonnen als hobby. Ik was 13 toen ik aan het kappersvak begon. Ik mocht het van mijn vader niet worden, omdat de meeste kappers homoseksueel waren. En ik al seksueel actief, dus die had echt zoiets van nou, doe maar gewoon. En ik ben constructiebankwerker, dus ik kon tekening lezen. En ik kon bij een kapper zitten op het moment dat ze oud papier hadden. En dan ging ik uren zitten kijken. En ik maakte nooit een afspraak. En dan haalde ik uit het oud papier de vakbladen en dan had ik gezien hoe hun knipte. En dan kon ik eigenlijk alles al knippen, want ik hoefde eigenlijk alleen maar de tekeningen te zien en dan was het goed.
En dan leer je echt snel, maar gewoon je eigen manier van leren.
Ja, en toen ik dus naar de kapperschool ging, was ik 27. En ik kom eigenlijk uit de bouw voor een isoleerde wezenplan. Ik stond binnen een week in een kapsalon. Terwijl ik in diezelfde week stond ook nog op de stijgers. For sofa blow drying. Yeah.
Dat klinkt echt heel mooi. Het is echt een stuk makkelijker, die schaar. Ik heb het zelf ook wel echt gemerkt.
Ja, absoluut. Now the only thing I'm going to use now is a nice soft polish. It's a gloss spray of Keunen. It adds a wonderful smell to the hair. And it's an ultra fine product. Gives a nice satin feeling to the hairs. Now this is her haircut, new short fringe, and new color. Thank you for being my model. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye. Jij mag nog een rondje draaien, schat.
Oké.
Ja, zeg maar weglopen. Wat een mooie kleur. Je mag een rondje draaien, schat. Dan mag je het inderdaad naar achteren gooien. Dankjewel. Thank you very much.
Hi, ik ben Kiki en het is nu een beetje slap oranje, maar ik wil het weer goed rood. En mooie rechte pony, puntjes eraf.
Okay, Kiki wants split ends off and she wants an ultra red color. So that's why she's here. And she wants the fringe nice, short and straight.